Hi guys, James here. Welcome to Tibaldi Goes Model Works, and yep, we've got an inbox review for you here. It's the Airfix 1/72 scale PZL LIM-5. So effectively, it's a license-built MiG 17F. So this was a gift from David Barbour. So thank you. A bit belated, I know. I did do the inbox review, but I got distracted. So kit number A03092. This side 2019 tooling, decal schemes and pack 2021, cartograph decals, suitable for 8+, and all the warning signs about giving it to 3-year-olds, etc. On this side we've got two interesting colour schemes. We've got 45th Experimental Air Squadron, Polish Air Force, modelling Poland, 12th of July 1993. And this one we've got, I can't pronounce it, it's a German squadron, 37. And this is obviously from when it was, this is from East Germany in 1986. So a little bit of history about license built, because LIM stands for license built aircraft number 5. Length 155mm, width 137, pieces 84. Skill flying hours 1 hour, skill level 2, which I do agree with, because I have built the MiG-17, as you remember. Box is sealed. I do remember you have to put tons of weight in it, so this kit will look vaguely familiar to most people out there. So obviously lift the box cover off like so, and we're greeted with the yellow plastic, the blue and grey plastic that Airfix do, all in one bag. Again, I shall open up in a second. Oh, the decal's out, I thought fell out there. I should put them down there. And this is a lovely sort of A4 booklet. Obviously has a specification and a bit of history of it there. Obviously best results wash, yes, I know that. Again, assembly instructions, assembly icon instructions there. So final red indicates the final position of the bit. Okay, so step 1, basically building up the fuselage. It's basically take your time with it, to be brutally honest. Applying the decals, building up the seat, obviously optional figure, putting the seat and the joystick in, or control column, building up the engine. Again, you've got the options for the air brakes deployed. I think 56 is silver. Come on, handwork. There we go. Obviously, say 20 grams. want to put a little bit more than that in there, to be honest. Putting the weight in, fixing the fuselage. My advice is basically two sides together and align it properly, so those bits are aligned properly in there. Option of the undercarriage closed. Obviously we're going to fit it in there. You can use that bit, you can get some extra weight in there. Obviously drilling the holes for the weaponry, drop tank and the rocket pod. Obviously removing the little pins for the, to show the undercarriage has been deployed there. So I'm removing that item there to fit with the undercarriage down, retracted. So I want to do it with the undercarriage down. So again, fitting the wings there, shouldn't be an issue with it. Building up the wheels and the tyres. Again, undercarriage doors here, fitting the undercarriage in. Obviously showing the alignment of the wheels, etc. Obviously fitting up the machine, fitting the machine guns in, fitting the air, well, option either retracted or deployed for the air brakes there. Fitting the canopy. Be very careful fitting the aerials at this point, because they do come up, they do get knocked off. Then we've obviously got the option of having the oil drum for the, if it's nose heavy, building up the weapons there, and the drop tanks, fitting those. They do fit quite nicely. Obviously this scheme is the one that interests, well, again it's silver, but it's the Polish scheme. You've got the beautiful goose on there, then you've got the three colours of the colour of the tail. So obviously you don't put the tail plane in, because it saves you having to mask it up. I think the tail fits quite nicely anyway. Again, we've got to do a little bit of painting on the nose. Yeah, stating that the two versions of the goose in there, so you can decide which one you want to put on there. Again, lots of stencils on here. And this is the DDR Air Force. Again, the lovely decal, and quite an interesting camo scheme. So not bare metal. Have some fun with the camo on that one, I suspect. So yeah, obviously it's a fairly straightforward colour scheme. And let's have a look at the decals. Again, lovely thin decals. Obviously they are by Cartograph. Doesn't say on here, but they say it on the box. Beautiful geese or goose. Lots of stencils. Yeah, I know, I had to fit them all. It was fun. But those DDR decals are really nice as well. So I'm undecided. I do fancy doing the Polish version, but the DDR version is different. So, because I've got a silver MiG 17 up there. Let's get them all out in the bag here. Save the damage of the sprues. Make sure there's no bits in the bag. There isn't. That's good. Obviously, canopy. I think I made up my own masking set for that, but we'll have a look at that in a moment. So put that over there so it's safe. And we'll have a look at the sprues. So the first sprue out of the box is frame A. Again, nicely moulded. Slightly differently moulded here because it's straight. It has a straight edge on this bottom part. Interesting. Nicely moulded drop tanks. Obviously the rocket launchers here look fairly straightforward and simple to do. Back parts are there. These are an optional part, I think, for the a different variant. So yeah, looks very nice. A little bit of flash that has to be clean. A little bit of flash on the tail, if I'm being harsh. But it does look beautifully moulded. And this is the C sprue. Again, cockpit interior. And obviously a little place to put your weight in there. Obviously the air brakes are actually attached on this one. They weren't on my last one. Guns, the aerials, or the pitot tubes, correct, is the correct term. Tiny little bit of flash, but not an issue. Because obviously the kit will build up really nicely. Spoilers. So that's that one. And finally, or penultimately I should say, is the wings. Again, lovely piece of moulding on here. Obviously you have the figure. And the barrel there. Two parts of the tail. very nice too. Lots of holes to drill. So you can choose your how you're going to have it weaponed up. That's the figure. A little bit skinny on the legs, but it's not bad. That's a very nice sprue. That's the main. That's the coloured sprues, and let's have a look at the clear sprue. And there we go. Again, lovely moulded parts. On this one. So yeah. Yeah, I think I decided to make my canopy mask because I wasn't very impressed with the one by Edard, because the mask set wasn't cut out properly. So there we have it. That's a quick inbox review of the PZL LIM-5. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, most importantly, if you haven't subscribed to Scale Modelling, please go and subscribe to him. I'll put a link in the description down below the video. Peter had a slight altercation on his scooter, and he's currently in hospital suffering from several cracked ribs, concussion, and a broken shoulder blade, so, and various cuts and bruises. So obviously, get well soon, Peter. Next time, don't fall off the bike. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.